It's climbing up like a sloth. That is awesome. Welcome to my channel. This is your Smart. Today I'm here to show you another exciting activity from Explore Box. Let's get started. What should we pick for the day? I choose the Sloth Climber. Now let us open the Sloth Climber. Let us open it. This side. Here is the instruction manual. Here is the foam cutout. What is this pouch? Let me open it. Oh, I see some sticks, rubber bands, and what else? Oh, a lace. And another foam cutout, a wooden sheet. Here's a sloth. Let's assemble the Sloth Climber. Are you ready? Here is the sloth. Now let us attach the thread in between these hands. Now the Sloth Climber is ready. Let's test it. Wow, it's climbing up! It's climbing a branch! That is awesome! Hope you like the Sloth Climber from Explore Box. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more awesome updates. See you soon. Bye bye.